Hey everyone! Today's dish is a quick and easy one-pot dish. This is a recipe from the Kerala state known as Neichooru, translates to ghee rice. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Start off with measuring 1 cup rice. Basmati rice is generally preferred while preparing this dish, and wash the rice well. It is important to remove the starch content present in the rice. Wash until the water is clear and drain it and set it aside. Next, we're going to need half a cup of mint leaves, 2 cardamom pods, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 8 to 10 cloves, half a cup of grapes, and half a cup of cashew nuts. Heat up a pressure cooker. Add a tablespoon of ghee and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once it's slightly heated, add the whole spices: crushed cardamom pods, cloves, cinnamon sticks, 2 bay leaf. Next, we add cashew nut. Saute for a minute. Then proceed to add the dried grapes. You'll notice as you mix the grapes, it starts to grow in size and forms beautiful mini balls. Next, we add mint leaves. At this point, all the whole spices will release a lot of flavor. Next, we add 2 cups of water. Here I'm using 1 cup of rice. If you decide to put 2 cups of rice, add 4 cups of water. It's always in the ratio of 1:2 rice to water. Add a teaspoon of salt, juice of 1 lemon, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, and give it a good mix. Once the water starts boiling, it's time to add the rice. Give it a good mix. Depending on the type of rice that you use, cooking time might slightly vary. Keep the flame on medium. Once you notice steam, that's when you place weight. The total time taken here for cooking the rice is 10 minutes. Depending on the amount of rice and water you choose to put, adjust the time accordingly. Kindly ensure the pressure is released completely before you open the pressure cooker. After you turn off the flame, rest for a couple of minutes before you open the pressure cooker. There you go. Our ghee rice is ready. The rice looks fluffy and perfectly cooked. You can pair this dish with any gravy of your choice, and now you have made a delicious South Indian recipe, Neichooru. Hope you enjoyed this video. Click the subscribe button and stay tuned for upcoming videos.